It killed your shit.
Wow. Shit, no, I don't even know her.
I'm not gonna lie, to kill your shit.
Wow.
Damn.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's a wrap. It's over.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Peter. Sorry, pal.
Throw this out there.
Four row.
It's been a legit 500 right there.
$500 It's a wrap.
That was all $50.
Oh, really?
Killing you, bro. Wow. I didn't know
Whoa.
Big America's like,
Hey, what the fuck is gas works?
wow, it's still going.
They're about to make happy faces.
Wow.
Hey, there go light our shit.
They're killing you. Damn, put your shit up.
Hey, what's this right here?
Sit down, man. I'm about in.
Oh, no.
Don't put it out.
I know. Just let it rest. Let it rest.
Anymore. It's over. It's over. Throw some over there.
Damn, it's like they mad, man. Oh, happy faces.
No, they're like, that's the one thing. That's one thing. That's one thing right there. Wow.
Oh shit, Darth Vader!
Star Wars. And they got Transformers up there, dog.
Hey, it's the Optimus Prime.
Oh my god.
Hey, Peter, dog, make it something.
Hello. Oh, don't even set that on, dude.
That's weak. That's weak.
Oh, okay. Okay.
We see the try.
Oh, okay. They're putting up a show, though. They're putting up a show. Sounds like a rack up in here.
It is well in our man.
Oh, that's sick. That was sick. Oh, that's sick. That was sick.
Hey, someone pass him a shot.
I know.
Serious, right? Serious, they deserve that shit. They deserve that shit after that.
You deserve a fucking shot for that. Wow, that was fire now.
I know. Calm for the storm, dude.
Damn, that's an ender. He ended it.
Yeah, he did. Ain't no,
Right
ain't no way she even fired nothing after that.
fucking with it right now.
Wait, this shit is still going.
That shit is still going.
That's our shit right there.
Weak. I don't want to see that right now.
He's about to have the dragon come out. Damn, how much money did he send? At least?
That's at $75 right now. It's gone now. It's only at $75.
Oh, it's like a neighborhood? Oh.
Oh, you're shitting.
That's a whole neighborhood, though.
Gaswork going on here.
Yeah, serious. You don't even need to go to Gaswork.
Yeah, they got oh my god.
Wow! Wow! Oh, shit!
It's over. Stop it, please. Stop it.
Stop. Yeah. He won? Oh, he owned Rebecca? Holy fuck! That's who it is, dude. The guy that owns Rabanco. The guy that goes around collecting carpets? Wow.
Philip.
Kill a season.
Woo! It's Bill Gates' crib. Where's he at?
Bill Gates.
Yeah.
Wow. 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 Hey, go give him a shot, for real. No, he'll probably look at our Henny and be like, Yeah, I know.
We got that Chris Dog going on.
Yeah. He fucking chases with Henny.
Wow.
Damn. He's killing it, dude. I can't even. I can still go 20 minutes. It's Rabanco, son! Is that it?
Oh!
Wow! Wow!
A wrap. Wow! Damn!
I'm sorry. This is better than the boat here. You lucked out. You lucked out. Oh, the heart! The heart! No!
Fucking hard.
Oh! Damn! Red, white, and blue. Yeah, you got the spirals and shit.
I got everything, dude.
Oh, that's sick. The fireflies. Whoa!
Damn.
He is killing it, dog. I'm already on 6 minutes, still going. I already missed like first half of the show.
Wow, dog. It's unofficial shit.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's sick. Whoa! Dog, is this all one or?
Damn! One.
This is all one. You got it up consecutively.
One spirit, dude.
Oh, grand finale! Woo! No ender. Don't even light our shit up. Don't even light our shit up. Don't even light our shit.
It's over, man. That's over.
Dude, can you imagine the finale? He's about to light hell of them.
This is the finale. Wow.
Where's the music at?
Hella. Synchronized the music. Hella big ego.
I got this big ego.
Ha ha ha.
My God.
Hey, you go that way? You gotta go that way, you see clearly because you're behind a tree.
I still got it. I'm on 8 minutes right now, homie.
8 minutes.
It's going on YouTube. This is I'm gonna say it's my firework show. I'm kidding. I got a professional cameraman filming. This is going on Van Lee's blog side.
Still going on?
Yeah, dude.
I got a pro on.
Yeah, hella eagle right here.
Big ass ego. No one lighting fire for now.
Serious.
Everyone shut the fuck up.
Except for us! Except for us! We still got ammunition. That was sick.
Is this official shit or what?
Seriously, seriously.
Or what? What is going on here?
This ain't Wamu no more.
I was mama correct this shit, guys. For real. This motherfucker straight up hired us. Wow, man.
Throw it in the water. Here it is. Boom.
Woo!